Okay guys, so this is the first session of getting the foundation for the leash manners and leash related exercise clear. And this is one of the first drill that we are going to master. So the main goal of the exercise is for you, it's very simple. If your dog is distracted by people, other dogs, the environment, sounds, cars, everything. If your dog is among one of them, or if your dog pulls very hard and even if you slightly tug a bit, your dog doesn't respond, your dog doesn't acknowledge your presence around people and other distractions. So the first step you have to do is get yourself in a very low distraction environment, probably in your balcony or your parking area or inside your house. Okay, so it's very simple. Get a small treat, like maybe a chicken nugget or fried chicken or chicken sausage, cheese, or anything that works for your dog. Okay, and the first goal is very simple. And as you can see, if your dog is a bit distracted, just tug a little bit. Yes, just tug a little bit, and then the moment your dog turns around and comes towards you, starts moving towards you, immediately say a yes and give the reward. Okay. And now another way to do it is very simple. You can let your dog move around. Sometimes it may happen that your dog might not want to move away from you. So in those cases, what you have to do is move away from your dog. Okay? So like your dog comes near to you, just move away from your dog and just slightly maintain the pressure. Yes. So slightly maintain the pressure. Slightly. The dog is moving away. Yes. So sometimes it may happen that your dog is way too distracted to pay attention to the food or the treats that you have got in your hand. Don't worry about it. If you are facing that issue, try to do this when your dog is hungry. That is during the meal time. Okay. And that will be a very good way to get started, because whenever your dog is very hungry and whenever it's his meal time, that's probably one of the best time to train your dog. Okay, let's start again and I will show you how. Yes. Woo. See, the moment he looks towards you, simply say yes and give him the reward. Super. So this way, so many times you might have faced that your dog is trying to move towards something, and despite pulling him back or her back, the dog is not very responsive. And even if the dog moves a bit back towards you, he will still try to argue back. He will try to ignore you and pay attention towards other things. So the goal of this exercise is to reduce the argument between you and your dog, and to establish a more clear communication in terms of leash handling. Okay, so in dog training, we always consider the leash as the primary way of communication. Yes, super. See. So we consider it as a leash, and it's one of the best communication tool you have got with your dog. Not the love. Love is fine. Love is needed. But when you are going out into the public, your primary source of communication with your dog is not your mobile. It's your leash. Okay. So if you have got the leash foundation very strong, very good with your dog, you will see that your dog pretty much starts paying attention towards you. See. Super. Yes. See, the main goal is try to pull your dog in the straight line. Okay. Yes. Super. So. Yes. Shabash. Nice. Good boy. Getting it? It's very simple. The moment your dog moves away, let her go. Yes! Let her go. And again, the moment she comes back to you, immediately, the moment she starts turning towards you, the moment she recognizes your presence, immediately step a few steps back and give her the reward by saying yes. Don't forget to say yes. Yes is the marker, is the precursor, is the sign of the good things to come. See, she's distracted. Yes! And sometimes you can add a little bit of tug. Yes! Good boy. Yes! Woohoo! Good job. Yes. See, initially I was just simply relying on her to come back to me. But once the distraction level got a little higher, I started using a bit of tug to guide her back to me. I want her to know, okay, when I give a tug, come back to me. When I give a tug, immediately pay attention to me. When I give a tug, stop arguing on the leash. That's the primary goal. So this way, you can start doing this exercise 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening or afternoon or during the meal time. 2-3 times a day for 7 days. Start doing it, and trust me, you are going to get fantastic results. And then once you are done with this drill, we'll move on to the next drill next week. Okay.